Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Magnus, and yesterday Checkpoint announced that they're planning to acquire a company called Perimeter 81 for 490 million US dollar. So this is one of the largest purchases that Checkpoint has made in recent years. So what sort of company is this Perimeter 81? Well, like most Checkpoint purchases, it's an Israeli company. And I think that's a huge benefit because then you have similar background and you have similar culture. This makes it a lot easier to integrate the companies together, because one of the worst thing that you can buy is a company that you don't manage to integrate within your own organization, so it becomes like a different entity, like it's more or less shadow IT, and that you don't want to have. So you want to be able to integrate their customers and your products together as one. So Perimeter 81 has focused mostly on SASE application and also zero trust network access. But one thing that for me stands out is that this company is actually 250 employees. Most acquisitions that I remember from Checkpoint has been fairly small when it comes to number of employees. I mean, it has been like 20, 30, maybe 100. This is still 250 employees. And I also think that this is actually a benefit for Checkpoint because these employees are used to processes and so on. It's not like 10 people that is used to be able to do whatever they want. So 250 people is still a fairly large organization where you require processes. Because remember now, Checkpoint is not a small company anymore. I think Checkpoint has like 6,000 employees. So if you come from a small startup and you get pushed into a large organization, it can be a bit struggle. So 250 employees and 3,000 customers, I think that's a good size, and I think they can complement Checkpoint in a good way. So they seems to have focused mostly on like making it easy, making it user friendly. And if I check my comments on like YouTube or Reddit, etc., etc., when people talk about Checkpoint, they complain about, yeah, you need a lot of things, you need to do a lot of more or less installations and clicks. While this Perimeter 81, same as Dome 9 and so on, they have made it easy for users. So Checkpoint need this as well. And I wanted to show you something from their YouTube. This is actually one of the better like cyber security, let's say, commercials that I have seen from a company. So I'm pretty impressed actually. It's a lot better than my own videos. So I will just play it for you.
The experts will tell you cybersecurity means protecting cyber things, like computers, networks, and servers. And so they build it with that stuff in mind. Ask those people to build a safer car, and you'd end up with seatbelts that take an hour to buckle. Or a fire extinguisher with a 20-digit passcode. Or a bike helmet that looks like this. But at Perimeter 81, we believe cybersecurity is meant to protect people. You know, the ones who have to install it, manage it, and use it every day. That's why we built the world's first cybersecurity experience platform, the most radically simple solution ever made. Deployment takes minutes, not days, anywhere on any device. From a single platform, you can easily build, manage, and defend your network, no matter where employees and resources are located. It's fast, powerful, and totally seamless, whether you need to protect 5 users or 50,000. And our support team has your back 24/7. Because if your cybersecurity solution doesn't work for people, it doesn't work, no matter what the so-called experts say. Perimeter 81, radically simple cybersecurity.
So I think this is quite funny because when it comes to traditional network security and so on, it's quite a lot like saying, yeah, no, don't do that, you should not do that. But now when it comes with the public cloud and working from home, it's a lot harder to control what people are doing. So you need to make it a lot more easy for users. There are still need of like real perimeter firewalls and firewalls within data centers and public cloud. And you actually need an architecture that focused not only on cloud, but it focused on the hybrid model that you have some applications, some data within on-prem, and you have other things in public cloud, and you should be able to have a workforce that work both on-prem and from home. I mean, that's required from today's data center or network. If your company cannot have both cloud-based, on-prem, work from home, and work from the offices, you will have a hard time to find employees that want to work for you. And when it comes to like workloads on network security, guys, it needs to be easier. Things need to be more one click, and we need more or less to trust the vendors a lot more, even that it hurts to say, but I don't want to tweak a lot of things. I want it to be easy, and I want to be able to trust the vendor that this is still a secure way to work. What did I wanted to say with this video? I think it's funny that Check Point acquires some companies. I think it's good that they keep their core values by more or less acquiring Israeli companies. Say what you want about the Israelis, but they are great when it comes to weapons, security, and really advanced technologies. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.